Welcome back for a GMAT Quant practice. Let's understand this interesting question. It says that an ice cream sundae consists of two ice cream scoops, one flavor per scoop, and one topping. That means one sundae, if we understand, there is a sundae which is to be formed. There is a sundae which is to be formed, and two scoops are required to make this. Okay, scoop one and scoop two. Let's say this is scoop one and scoop two, and there should be one topping on it. There should be one topping. Now, what is the question? How many different type of sundaes we require? This is a sundae. How many different type of sundaes can be prepared if four ice cream flavors and two toppings are available? So how many flavors are available? Flavors, the question gives four flavors. Let's say F1, flavor 2, flavor 3, and flavor 4. And toppings which are available, that are two type of toppings. Let's say that is topping 1, T1, and T2. Now, the question says that it has to have one flavor per scoop. That means one scoop should only have one flavor. Either it will be F1, F2, F3, F4. Similarly, scoop 2 should only have one flavor out of these options which are available. Now, there could be a case that both the scoops have the same flavor. Case number 1, both scoops have same flavor, or case number 2, both the scoops S1 and S2 have different flavors. Case number 1, both S1 and S2, S1, S2, same flavor is there. Same flavor, right? And case number 2, so, or we have a case number 2, S1, S2, they both have S1, S2, S1, S2, different flavor, right? So that's a possibility wherein both S1 and S2, the scoops have the same flavors, or there could be a possibility where S1 and S2, they both have the different flavors. Now, first case number 1, how many flavors or how many ways this can be done? Both same. That means both are F1, both are flavor 2, both are flavor 3, both are. So there are 4 choices in which both the scoops are of same flavor. Similarly, case number 2, how many ways both have different? Out of 4, you require 2 different. In how many ways? Out of 4, 2 can be picked. That is 4C2. The order does not matter here. So what is 4C2? That is 4 factorial over 2 factorial times 2 factorial. That is 6. So there are 6 ways in which both the scoops have different flavors, right? Now, total ways in which scoops can be formed. Total ways for scoop, how many? That is case number 1, 4 ways, or it could be both different, that is 6. So total scoops or type of scoops which can be formed, that is 10. Total sundaes which can be formed. Now, the question is, how many type of sundaes? So type of sundaes which you can form, sundae which can be formed, that is scoop. In how many ways scoops can be formed? That is 10. And you require, and means to multiply, topping. How many toppings are there? There are 2, and you require 1 topping out of it. So either you can say 2C1 or directly 2. That means 10 times 2, which is going to be 20. Option E being the correct answer here, right? So case number 1 was quite important, wherein both the flavors are of, both the scoops are of same flavor, which you have to consider in your calculation. I hope you found this video helpful. Give it a thumbs up if you found this helpful.